Hey there! So this is a video about what equipment I use to make my YouTube videos. Hey, I'm Ursula, welcome to my channel dedicated to healthy conscious living. And today I want to share with you the tools I use to make this channel possible. First up is my all-time favorite, Canon 800D. I like to use it in this environment when I'm shooting the one-on-ones or on location. The picture quality is just superb. When it comes to vlogging, you gotta have the flip screen to see yourself in. You need to be able to see if you are in shot. Lighting is good, to see that your framing is well framed. You're doing all of this by yourself, so you have to be able to see it. Next thing that I was looking for in my Canon, for the microphone cable to be able to attach to your camera. So I've had a Canon camera before with this flip vlogging device, but it doesn't actually have a microphone cable, which means you will not be able to use your Rode mic in your camera. So for my vlogging type of content, I like to use the Canon Powershot SX730HS. Full name. What's really cool about this, you can travel with it, and it's got this cute little flip screen, so you just hold the camera. Hey! And now we're vlogging. Next up, we have our Rode microphone. Super important, super handy. So what I really like about the Rode mic is it's attached to my camera, and for me the quality is wonderful. I've used it in public spaces. So Rode mic, definitely for YouTube type of content videos, I would highly recommend. Gorilla type of tripod, which is kind of cool when you're going outside and you don't want to take a big tripod, and you can kind of like wiggle this. I've put this onto pillars and walls to take a shot of myself, or you can use it like a selfie stick. Now we're on a selfie stick mode. The baby tripod version of this, and this is for your cell phone. Attach your cell phone. You can make the tripod stick, or you can use it as a selfie stick. And then my last tripod is this very cheapy tripod. I bought at Game like 4 years ago for 500 Rand. I'm sure there are much better brands on the market. I just need something to hold my camera up. It does the job, it's cheap, it's light, it works. For my lighting, I use an open window, natural lighting streaming through. I put my camera on that side and it lights up everything I need. I always have an extra memory card. You do run out of space. I don't have extra batteries yet. I'm in the habit now of charging your devices after you've used them. I hope I have given you some tips. If you would like to know any other YouTube tips, tricks, let me know below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Stay tuned for more.